Howdy crew, I have some very exciting news. Let's get to it. Today is Tuesday, March 11th. On Friday, March 14th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, y'all get to see what the welding rig looks like in its entirety. It's everything that's on it, things that will also be revealed, company name, company logo, company website, all that great stuff will be revealed on Friday, March 14th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And one thing that will change on the channel itself will also be the profile picture. So the profile picture that y'all currently see in the bottom right hand of the screen, also the profile picture of the channel itself, is a picture of me welding downtown Los Angeles on a skyscraper. That will be changed to the company logo. So it's just going to be company logo for all that. And another thing that will be changing in the vlogs will be the intro. The intro will be changed from what it is currently to a new intro we'll be working on up until that point. So y'all will see that later after Friday, March 14th. Now, for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, there will be also some new information that I'm not going to reveal just yet, but some very exciting news as well for those days. And I'm just very excited to share all of that. It's just been a long time coming for all of this, and it's finally here. So again, Friday, March 14th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Don't forget to tune in for the great reveal. It's going to be very exciting. And then later you all get to see the business cards that have been printed out, all that great stuff. Now, vlogs up until this point, I know there's been a lull. Things have been happening, which y'all be seeing later in vlogs. And so the vlogs up until that point, there's footage, but it's just not edited yet. That'll be worked on in a little bit, and y'all see that coming out later. Things that could not be filmed for one reason or another. I will talk about different things, whether it be stuff for trademarks, stuff for just general paperwork. I'll be going over some of that, but also things that were for the rig that I just couldn't film again for one reason or another. I will be going over that. It just won't have the video of it. You all get to see what the end product looks like, what the finished results are, but it will already be done, and I'll just go over and saying why I did or didn't do something and what happened there. So that will be coming out again later dates, but Friday, March 14th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the great reveal for the welding rig, company name, logo, website, all that great stuff. And after that will be the new intro. So y'all can see the new intro for the channel, and the profile picture will be changed. All that great stuff's gonna be coming up Friday, March 14th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. See y'all then.